Okay, today is November 9th, 2023, newest update. We had people here. Nice, everything is covered. Let's see what they did. Okay, the wall that was remediated and covered in plastic now has drywall up. I'll show what's going on here. They got an extra piece there like that, but whatever. They're the professionals. And the part of the ceiling that was gone now has drywall. In the words of Borat, great success. So we do have progress. Looks like that was about it. Nothing. Oh, hold on. Oh, we have progress in the bathroom too. Gonna be a little difficult to take a shower, but they gotta do what they gotta do. And sheetrock drywall has been replaced in the smaller bathroom. And stuff is just moved into the shower. Of course, there's something kiss related. And that's it for now.